with this challenge they have to go straight down the course, and at the end of it, there's two possible ways to go. What is it? It's a dinosaur
with heels, high heels.
Pops out, and they have to avoid it and go the other way.
Ray's pilot. I'm doing camera, and if we were flying from behind them, it's a case of as soon as the car is rolling, Ray puts it into sport mode. He just hammers the gas, and I'm controlling the gimbal, so I'm doing the pan and the tilt and trying to keep up with the motion of the car at the same time. Oh geez, we're gonna go. Oh, go. We're good. Just give me 2 seconds to iris up.
Want me to roll?
Rolling. Here we go. Probably go as low as 20 if you get comfortable with it. Stand by, here we go. Here it goes. Still good, still good, still good, still good, still good. Here it goes. Hold. He was going too slow.
They're gonna go again.
Cool. Good. Yep. All right, here he goes. It's coming out the same side or the opposite side? It doesn't matter. You're good. You're right behind him. Perfect. There it is. Nice. Nice work. That's great. He had a pretty good run. I mean, it's a hell of a lot more fun for us when they hit stuff because it just explodes, and it's so cool to see it from that angle on the drone, which the show has never had before.